How much would you need to deposit in an account now in order to have $6,000 in the account in 10 years? Assume the account earns 8% interest compounded monthly. All right, what do we got here? How much would you need to deposit now in order to have 6,000 in the account in 10 years? So we know what we want to have in the future. We don't know the present, and we just want to make one deposit. So this is future value of compound interest, which is the present value, times 1 plus the annual percentage rate divided by the number of periods per year. And the power is always the number of periods per year times the number of years. And we want let's see, we're given the future value. That's what we want to have. We want to know what we need. So we're given F is 6,000. We need to solve for P. Now, since this parentheses is just a multiple of P, we can divide it over to the side with F. So that would give me F divided by that crazy parentheses. And that would be our present value. So that's the calculation we're going to do. And we know that R is 8%, which is 8/100ths. We know that we're compounding monthly, so N is 12, and we know that T is 10. So for our present value, we're going to have 6,000 divided by parentheses 1 plus 8/100ths, 8%, split into 12 times a year, and the power will be 12 times 10. Let's try that on our calculator. So I have my 6,000 divided by parentheses 1 plus my 8% divided by 12. Let's arrow over so we can put the parentheses in the right spot. And on this scientific calculator for Desmos, you definitely need parentheses to get both the 12 times the 10 in that power position. Without the parentheses, it won't happen. So this says if I deposit now, $2,703.14. So 2703.14. So that should be the present value of $6,000 in the future at 8% compounded monthly for 10 years. You could check by plugging it back into the regular compound interest formula. So if I start with $2,703.14, and then I multiply by that 1 plus R over N, raise that to the power parentheses 12 times 10, then I get pretty close to $6,000. Why not exactly 6,000? Because I rounded this to the nearest cent, and there were fractions of a cent in that future to present value calculation. So it does check out.